All right, so today we're looking at some luxury townhomes here in the Summerlin area of Las Vegas. Now in this video, we are going to be previewing the Danbury model, which is going to be the largest floor plan this community offers. So stay tuned. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you plan on moving to Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome everyone to Monument at Reverence by Pulte Homes. Now this community is located here in Summerlin. So we're about 25 to 30 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and strip. If you're on the 215, you're gonna exit Lake Mead and then you're gonna take a west on Lake Mead. You'll see this community. It's going to be right in the corner, right by the traffic light. Beautiful community. I just want to show you. It's a gated neighborhood right over there. Okay. This community backs into like the mountains right over here. Now over here, they're going to make this community pool, which is going to be really, really nice. Okay. But yeah, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. Now this is a townhouse community. They're going to offer 3 different floor plans here. They're going to offer the Branton, Cornwall, and the Danbury. These homes are going to range from about 1654 square feet all the way up to 1869 square feet, with the base prices ranging from $486,990 all the way up to $510,990. With the base prices, just know that the lot premium and upgrades are not included. Okay. Now in this community, they are building spec homes for the most part. So spec homes are just quick move-ins. The builders choose all the options. That way they could start production on it. And that way, you know, the buyers could close a lot sooner on these homes. They're going to have models that close within the next few months. They do have a few dirt lots, which they will allow the buyers to build from lot up. But out the door, you're looking at the base prices are going to be in the high 400s, low 500s. After lot premium and upgrades, you're looking at mid 500s to high 500s. Okay. Still below the 600 mark. Some of these floor plans are going to be really nice. Like one of the options has a optional rooftop deck, which is really cool. Now, a little bit about the community, guys. With this community, there's going to be 168 townhomes here. Again, they have the community pool. It's gated. And all the models are going to have 2-car garages. Okay. Lot premiums are going to start at about 2,000 here. 2,000 all the way up to like 70,000. Okay. So it really depends. Now, as far as the HOA goes, you'll have the master plan fee of $60 a month, sub association fee, which is a monument fee of $125 a month. So together those are, it's $185 a month. And then you'll also have a SID assessment. Okay. So the SID assessment is $386 a year, but you pay that every 6 months. So you make a $193 payment every 6 months. Okay. But yeah, guys, that's about it. So let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Danbury floor plan. Now the Danbury floor plan is going to be the largest floor plan out of the 3 homes in this community. It's 1869 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price is $510,000. Out the door, you're looking at about ranging like the $570,000. Okay. So yeah, let's take a look. Okay, so it looks like we have the entry door right over here towards the side. You're gonna have the 8-foot door. And then in the inside, you'll have 9-foot ceilings for the first floor and second floor, which is really nice. All right, so welcome in. So we got your dining room, living room and kitchen. Okay. And you have your door to your garage right over there. Actually, I'm sorry, that's the door to your garage right over there. So, all right. So, you know, very open. Okay. You also have your slider right over here, which is nice. Got your stairs on the opposite side of the entry door. Okay, pretty decent size kitchen island right here as well. Now it looks like you do have cabinets, so you're gonna have cabinets right over here. You'll have cabinets by the sink as well, along with these ones. Okay, and then you'll have some more cabinets right here. So it's gonna be your pantry. Okay, so really good sized pantry. Again, door to your garage. Now these cabinets are optional. So these model homes are gonna have, you know, like all the upgrades, the countertop, the cabinets. Okay, they even have the built-in cooktop, the stovetop. Now standard would be like you would have the Whirlpool appliance package, which would be the oven, dishwasher, and the microwave. Okay, this is gonna be KitchenAid, so it's upgraded. So you also have the optional kitchen built-in oven, microwave right here. Okay, refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included. Now, if you're curious to know like the dimensions of the rooms and just kind of like how the floor plan looks, you could go ahead and pause the video right here. It has all the dimensions for you. Okay, now if you're seeing the blue, that's just like the structural upgrade that you can make if you're doing it from building from lot up. But again, most of homes you're building here are going to be spec homes. Spec homes just means quick move-ins. The builders already started production. They chose all the options, so that way, you know, they could sell it sooner. Okay, so this is going to be your bathroom right here, your powder room, and then you'll have your coat closet right over here. Okay, now let's head to the second floor. So you got the optional staircase. Now also, this is going to be the only floor plan that actually has a loft on the second floor. So, well, I guess lofts are only on the second floor, but if having a loft is important to you, definitely this Danbury floor plan is probably the one for you. So you're going to have your primary bedroom over there. You'll have your loft, and then the 2 guest bedrooms will be to the side. So let's check it out. So nice. We have this for your linens. Looks like we also have your laundry room here. Okay. Washer and dryer will not be included. Okay. Smart panel box. This is where you connect your internet router and your modem. Now again, 9-foot ceilings here. These are very high doors as well, so they're a little bit higher than 8 foot. Okay, so this is guest bedroom number 1. All right. So you got your standard closet. This bedroom feels a little bit on the tighter end. Okay, probably 11 by 10. That's how it feels. But I mean, you can rewind and check the dimensions if you're curious. Now this is the other guest bedroom. This is going to be more spacious, and this bedroom's nicer because look at all the windows. You're going to have a lot of natural light come in. Okay. So as you can see here, this road is going to be where all the roads, where everyone's garages are kind of like, you know, close together. So everyone's going to come to this road where they want to park in their garage. And then right over here, you're going to have your full bath. We got the single sink. Okay, normally they do have the shower tub, the fiberglass, but it looks like they got the optional tile surround. Okay, so it looks like there's going to be where air filters are. Access to your attic is going to be right there. So you have this nice Nice loft. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. So plenty of space, very spacious. This king size bed. You have your door, you have your balcony right over there as well. Okay. Your walk-in closet. Oh, and then I was actually looking at the paperwork as well. The loft over there, you can choose to upgrade that if you built from lot up to an optional 4th bedroom. Okay. But I mean, I personally like the loft. I think lofts always open up the 2nd floor. I think they're, it's great to have that. Unless you need all the bedrooms, that is. Cool. All right, guys, as you can see, beautiful area. We're in the higher elevation here. Let me show you. See if we can get back here. Nice. Okay. So see, we're right next to like the mountain. The mountain's right over here. Yeah, this townhouse is in a really nice area for sure. Now, if you're thinking about going to a new build community for your very first time, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to meet with you on your very first visit to a new build community and, help you out with the process. Now, if you already have a realtor, that's okay. At least let your realtor know that you want to visit a new construction home so that way they could come with you on your very first visit. If you go by yourself and the builder agent, they're going to ask for your name, your email, and your phone number. If you give that to them, they won't let you have representation down the road. You definitely want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest and we look after yours. So definitely important to get representation. Toilet room right here. And then you have another walk-in closet. Okay, so this one's obviously going to be a little bit smaller. This one's probably for him. Okay. Dual sinks. So you got your cabinets. You got this upgraded shower right here, walk-in shower. Okay, we got the overhead as well. All right, cool. All right, that wraps it up for the Danbury. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, if you have any questions or if you're curious to know what the incentives are, shoot me a text, give me a call. Until then, I'll catch you guys next video.